This is the gorgeous Bruno Marc men's classic dress casual Chukka boots 2.0. We were sent these to review. I got them because my son, who is a sneaker wearer through and through, needed some dress shoes for his band concerts, and he picked these out. They are absolutely gorgeous. The bottom is really grippy, which is a pleasant surprise because I always worry about dress shoes being super slippery, but these are amazing. A small heel, beautiful faux leather upper. They honestly look like leather. They really do. They're just gorgeous. You've got those kind of dress laces, really nice. Inside is padded. Shockingly well, actually. We're just really impressed with these. We love the look, we love the feel, and they do have this little easy on pull here. You've got a little height here, which is nice so that you won't show your socks when you sit down in your dress pants. They are quite stiff. There's a little bit of flexibility, but not too much. And they're decently lightweight, not super clunky. We just love these, and we know you will too.